Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Marlene and you're on my Chic Purse channel. Today we are going to unbox 4 pieces that I've got during and after our big move. I love watching unboxing videos, and if you're here watching, thank you by the way. I would like to think that you also enjoy watching these types of videos. Yes, we're nosy! Last week, I've got an invite to the exclusive Prada pre-sale. Not really a Prada enthusiast here, but because I've got the best essay in town, I'm starting to see Prada populate in my collection. My essay was the one who helped me find my first Prada bag. I will insert the link up here if you're interested in the Prada 2005 re-edition nylon bag. The color beige was hard to find at the time, and he went out of his way to help me find the bag. Kudos to my essay. Before we visited the store, my essay had already given me the list of items that were gonna be put up on sale. So more or less, I knew what I was going to get. I'm really happy with my essay. Do you feel the same way with your essay now? It feels good, right? Let's do the unboxing. Any guesses what I picked up? Yes, I got myself these sunnies. The original price was $410 US dollars. At 40% off, it came down to $246. Just $15 higher than the other one. I chose this over the other style because I love how sleek the frame is. It's very thin and lightweight. It has no spats that are adjustable. I had it adjusted at Lens Crafters the same day I got it. Didn't know they're offering the service for free. That's neat. And I also love that the lens are not too dark. Next up is this green box. Oops, sorry, not Gucci. Just the gift card and the receipt. This is the Longchamp Baxi coin holder. Baxi, I think that's the name. I got this on the Longchamp website at 30% off. I got this at 63 US dollars. Original price was 90. Great Christmas giveaway at under $100. Gotta start early, right? And I don't think they will provide you with this box and ribbon unless you specify that it's a gift. I did, and it came in this beautiful box with the gift wrap, which message I of course just made up. I always do that just to avail of the gift box. 5 card slots, 1 zipped compartment. What made me buy this coin purse is the vibrant shade of green. I always love bright colored SLGs on bags that has black interior lining. Next up is this big Coach box. Oh gosh, another tote bag. 2 tote bags in a row. I can't. I'm not even a tote bag person, but I'm not gonna lie, totes are growing on me. If you're interested, I'll link my Tory Burch tote unboxing somewhere above this screen. This is the Coach Tyler Carryall. Let me show you the 360 tour. What I love about this tote is the zippered middle compartment. The reason why I'm not into tote bags is how open they can be, and this Coach Tyler Carryall answers that concern. Open compartments on each side, simple and clean silhouette, no branding whatsoever except the bag charm and tag, which you may choose not to hang because they are removable. Two slit pockets, cloth interior lining on the zipped middle compartment, and leather interior lining on both open compartments. I got this on sale at the Coach website. Price was originally at $350 US. I paid $210 for this tote. I like that it's not too big, it's not heavy at all, and it molds to the shape of my body when I carry it on my shoulder. I love the clean silhouette. Mine is in gray color, but I'm thinking of giving this to my mom because they have this chalk color which I love more. However, it was not available at the time. It is now showing on the website as add to cart. I just checked, but now back to the regular price, in case you're interested. And lastly is the Saint Laurent. Wait, I'll open the box first. This is not part of the thrift shopping. I paid full price on this at the boutique. And this is the Saint Laurent Puffer Mini Bag in the color Blanc Vintage. I so love this bag that I feel like she deserves a spotlight of her own. I promise to give you an in-depth review of this bag in the coming videos. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.